Hey, what's going on, guys? It's David again. Just another quick video. Just show you a little tip of how to seat valves or lap valves. Some would call it grinding the valves. Pretty much want to just have a nice surface here for it to seat properly here and not have any leaks. So the previous videos I've seen, other videos, they show you how to do it with the vacuum hose, a vacuum line. I'm sorry. About this, about this thick right here and longer, of course. And what they ask you to do is put it on the other side into the valve just like so, and then the other side, this side, will go into the shaft of the drill. Okay, but the only problem with that is when you're using this type of compound, which you should use, it might be a little too coarse for high speed, and whenever you go that high, that much of high speed, you're running the risk of putting little grooves or dents into this area right here, kind of deep ones, and of course it's not going to seat correctly. And that's when I found out. I mean, it's I guess it's an okay method of doing it, but I'd rather not risk it. This is another easier way, well, not easier, but a different way, less risk, that I found that we can do. What I did use, it's another hose, another line, but this line is for they said it was for gas line. It's about 1/8 of an inch, but it's much thicker than the normal vacuum hose, as you can see. I like these better, the thicker ones better, because whenever you're turning back and forth, your whole hose is, it stays still. It doesn't twist on you, so you get a full twist or better twist out of it. These flimsy ones, they won't work. I mean, you'll twist it and it'll twist on you, and you don't get the full turn on the valve. The idea is pretty much the same, I would say, so as using these hand tools. I mean, these tools are okay. The only bad thing is they always slip off or never catch the valve, and you can't, you finish the job properly because these things won't work sometimes. So this is what I do. I attach one of these lines. See, it's much thicker, and you get them from AutoZone and stuff like that. I attach or I cut off about 2 inches, okay, and attach one end to a screwdriver. You can use a screwdriver, okay, put it in about 1 inch, get a good grip on it, and then the other end, of course, it'll go to the other side of the valve, just like so. So in other words, you're gonna have your head like this, or however you want to position it to get better, a better angle at it, and then you would put it into your valve like so, okay, and then you will start turning back and forth like this, okay, just like you would, with your hand tool, okay. This method, or this way of doing it kind of helps you prevent, damaging your head that much, other than like your drill and stuff like that. And of course, you want to use your grinding compound. The first couple of runs I would do coarse grade, depending on how bad your head is and your valves, and then finish it off with fine grade. You could use these two. They work great. You could find these at like AutoZone, Riley, stuff like that. But that's one way I do it, and it works really well. This is just a little practice video, but that I've done before sending these things to get cleaned up. But it does the job. It's kind of hard to focus here, sorry. But it does the job. It's way better than it was before. Of course, it's not finished yet, just showing you guys. It does take a little bit longer, but it's much safer, so you won't damage your head, or prevent it from seating correctly and stuff like that. So that's what I do. It works a lot easier, I think. You just have to do more work. So from the bottom, keep twisting it back and forth.